color, folks. Roped into another one. Marvelous, isn't it? Did you guys miss me? When's the last time I've been on camera? When's the last time? Got my robe. Oh. I'm the greatest. Okay, she's gonna be back down here soon. She's not going to be happy. I get this done and over with as soon as possible.
Hey peeps, I hope that I'm not blurry, but today we are going to be bleaching the wig that I have already constructed. There's going to be a couple clips that you see before this, or a video before this, of the cutting of the wig and the making of the wig and all of that. But today we're going to bleach it, and we're just going to go over some of the stuff with my sister, who's a licensed cosmetologist, who's standing right here. But yeah, so we're going to go ahead and get started.
This is Lamy lightener in 40 volume. I would never use 40 volume in this lightener on a person, but there's no heat from her head, so she's not real.
You said it's Lamy lightener?
Blonde me.
Blonde me lightener?
Yeah. Alright. I'm taking it for more like painter brush thing. In these front pieces, I'm going to go in like a diagonal slant. That'll just give like a nice soft blend, and it'll be saturated at the bottom, and then like a higher point to give like dimension for the top. I like to start like midway and then work it up. The most important thing is keeping your tension at the bottom. Then I do a little bit of like painting upwards to create like a more blend there. And then I'm going to saturate the tips of it. Don't nobody at me if this ain't right, because this is a wig and I've never done this before. Don't at me. In this section I'm going to go ahead and do a V. The reason I'm leaving out these little hairs is because if you lighten hairs that are like short, they'll just look like breakage, and it's not cute. Alright, so hopefully you can see there's two peaks there, and it comes down into like a point. Again, that's just going to give more dimension in that area. Alright, this section I'm probably going to do slants. I think that'll just give the softest, like at the top of the head, the part that you're going to see the most. This part I'm just going to do slants, which means you're creating a high point and then just dragging it down. I think that's just going to give the most soft appearance at the in the part of the hair that you can actually see the most. I'm doing smaller diagonal back sections because it's going to create like a higher concentration of color because you're taking more sections while still like keeping it soft, and you still have like a low light one underneath because you're not painting all the way through. But that way it looks lighter overall because of the where the hair will be laying down, but you're still going to be keeping dimension in there.
Hey peeps, so this is what the hair is looking like after I, what do you call it? I washed out the bleach, and after I washed it with toner and regular shampoo as well, and I have flat ironed it. So that is what this is looking like right now. My sister is going to cut some more layers into it, and then I hope that this hair comes out a little cuter, because like, what is this? This is ugly. Unless y'all think it's cute, then hey, it's only gonna be like this for a couple more minutes because she's about to cut it regardless. But yeah, we like how the color came out. Yeah, my sister said that the color and tones came out pretty even. So let us know what you think. If you know a thing or two about color, how do you think it came out? I think I really like the color, so I can't wait and see what it looks like once it is layered some more. So when I layer it, I kind of want to be able to do like, you know, when people push their hair back and then it kind of just sits there and like lays. That's kind of what I want to happen right there. But yeah, that's what's going on with this part. So I'll be back after she cuts it and we'll style it a little bit, and that'll be the final results of this wig. Hey peeps, I am back, and this is the final product on the hair. So I did have her cut it into some layers, so you see the wig could not flip up like this before because it was just too long in the front, and I told her like I wanted it to flip like this in the front. Some of the curls did fall pretty easily, so it was a little more flipped before, but then she, you know, styled it and curled it, as you can see. Even though I barely did anything, a lot of the curls have fallen, so definitely have to use hairspray with this hair. But you see like how it has the layers now, because like it just falls like effortlessly like that. So cute. But yeah, so I do like this wig. I don't think this is, of course, the best wig in the world, but I do like how this looks in a general sense. Of course, I wish it was less bulky, but that's just something I'll have to work on as I create more wigs. But I do think that this is cute, and I think that even though it's bulky and it doesn't really fit my small head, it's not ugly. And I think when I put makeup on, it'll be a little bit more fitting with a whole look. Like, I think this is like a real modest type of hairstyle, and if I'm doing just like a cute subtle outfit, that this is something that can go with that and give me a different look for a change. So I can't wait to actually like cut the lace and everything. So I'll probably come back to you guys and let you see what it looks like when I actually wear this with makeup and everything. I have never glued down a wig or done the whole that one spray, got to be glue spray method. I've never ever done that in my life, so we will see how that goes with this hair, and we'll see if I can put together an outfit that looks nice with this hair and with makeup and everything. But let me know if you guys like it, you know, just like it is right now, without seeing like a full picture and without the lace being cut off. Like, do you guys think that this is pretty decent for like the second or third wig I've ever made in my life? Like, OMG. And as you can see from the other footage, this is a wig that I wanted to be a bob, but because I accidentally made it so thick, it can't be a bob. It's like, it's just too thick. So we got this whole little soccer mom bob going on with some layers, and we colored it, or more so bleached it and toned it, and I think it is freaking cute. Like, I really like it. Like, this could be a vibe, a whole vibe. I feel so cute and I love the color. I'm so glad it actually came out good. Like, at least the color is cute. And I'm really gonna rock this, period. Even if people think that it is too thick for my size head, I don't care. I'm still wearing it. So it could be somebody else's problem. It's not my problem. I hope you guys do like it though. So let me know if you like it. I mean, let me know your opinions, good or bad. It's whatever. If you have some advice for me, please give it to me. I need advice because I want to be able to make wigs and do a good job at it. So just let me know and I will come back to you guys when I actually have it styled with makeup and outfit. Hey peeps, I am back and this is just the end result of the wig and with it styled and everything and with my makeup on and a little fit or whatever, so y'all can see everything. So with it on and my makeup on and an outfit to go with it, I absolutely love this hair. Shout out to the little sister, Autumn Everyday. I think it's 2 underscores at the end, I do believe, but if you type in Autumn Everyday, she will come up and she is a licensed cosmetologist. So she bleached the hair and styled it and cut it, all the cutting. I mean, you see the video, like everything was really her and then just the vision was mine. And I just absolutely love how this came out. I love that in this styling that the wig is thicker because it just makes it just like look really full and really nice. And you know, everybody's hair texture isn't the same. Some people do have thicker hair textures and they may feel like, oh, they can't do a shortcut because it's gonna be like too much, but this wig is here to tell you otherwise. Period poo. So I just absolutely love this and I'm going to definitely show you guys just a 360 of the hair. You'll see that next. Yeah, so that 360 just shows you everything that's going on with the wig, but I just wanted to show you everything styled. This wig has gone through a journey to get to this point and it's only like my 2nd or 3rd wig I've ever made, so definitely my wig making abilities shall get better and that's definitely something that I want to work on. And just as a reminder, this is the Angel Grace hair that I did do an unboxing and review with or for, and now it is styled and made into a wig. I absolutely love the hair. I wish I would have kept it longer or just done this wig thinner as I've mentioned before, but I absolutely just love how the hair has done thus far with the bleaching. It absolutely bleached perfectly. Some of the hairs are a little, not now, but in general, some of the hairs I think had a little bit of red in them, and I have heard, please correct me if I'm wrong, but I have heard if your hair that you get from, you know, a company, vendor, whatever, has like red strands in it, no matter how many times they tell you it's human, it's not human. So that is debatable if this Angel Grace hair is human hair or not, but let me know what you guys think about the whole red strands being in it, because you know, typically you don't really see like random red strands in human hair if you really think about it. So yeah, let me know what you guys think about that, if I'm correct or if I'm mistaken by saying that. So I just am not sure if this is human hair, but even if it's not human hair, it did very well with being bleached. Like, once again, these tones are practically how they just bleached. I barely used toner to get this look. I mean, I did use toner, but like barely. So it bleached very nicely, and then I think that if we would have bleached it again, it would have, you know, stood up pretty good as well, because there really isn't any thinning or hair coming out from it being bleached. And also it's just all the thickness, it just seems like really like strong, dependable hair. And sorry y'all, some of these hairs are getting in my face, so like I keep wanting to move the hair just because the hairs are bothering me. Just overall, the hair has performed. I washed it, you know, once we took the bleach out, and you know, nothing crazy happened when I was you know, washing the hair. Literally no shedding when I was washing the hair. No hairs came out. And I did not cut any of the hair. I think I may have cut it when it got close to the top when I was sewing it, but otherwise I did the flip over method, so that also helps with shedding. But you know, in general, the hair that I did cut, no shedding came from that when I was washing it, so that is amazing as well. I have no problems with the hair thus far. If anything ever comes up where I am not liking the hair, I will definitely let you know. But as of right now, even if it's not human hair, I think that this hair is good thus far. I've done a lot of things with it. I washed it, I bleached it, I've cut it, I've, you know, just seen it over time transform and seen how it's reacted. You know, it's been kind of misshapen, and you know, I washed it and flat ironed it, and it absolutely just went back to the way that it was supposed to. Also, I flat ironed the hair, we curled the hair. As far as it holding a curl, it does need some hairspray, so you definitely can't curl this hair and it just stays. Also, this hair, it wasn't necessarily you know, curly hair or completely straight hair, so it does hold a curl, but it's not going to hold it for too long, as you can see from some previous clips, because the curls just kind of fell completely. But once I put hairspray in it, you see like all the little flips and stuff that were left stayed after I put some Got To Be hairspray on there. But yeah, that's all of the things that I can say about the hair so far, and I hope you all like this whole transformation with this wig and you learned something. Please make sure that you thumbs up and you share this video and you subscribe for more hair videos, because I will have more hair and beauty videos on my channel. So I hope that you go ahead and do that, and I will be ever so grateful, and I will see you in the next video. Peace.